How to make money online. Introduction. If you're looking for ways to make money online, there are a lot of options. You can sell your own digital products, course, ebook, etc., or sell services, vacation rentals, writing, tutoring, helping people with their taxes, etc. 1. Freelance. Freelance. Get a job on Upwork. Get a job on Fiverr. Get a job on Gurugurani. Get a job on People Per Hour, People Per Hour. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2. Create a website. Create a website. Create a website to sell products or services. Create a blog to earn money from ads. Create an affiliate website to sell other people's products for. Create a membership site to sell your own digital products. 5. Create a membership site to sell your own services. 3. Sell your own digital products, course, ebook, etc. You can sell digital products on your own website or through an e-commerce site like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify. To create a product, decide what you want to teach people about. Is it how to use social media, how to start a business, or maybe how to build websites and apps? Whatever it is, make sure that the information is valuable and will help other people. Make sure that this knowledge is not too general as well as specific in order to ensure that there are no duplicate items being sold online by other sellers who already have this information available elsewhere on blogs or elsewhere. If possible, try finding some mentors who have already done what you're interested in doing so that they could give advice about where there are gaps in their knowledge, especially if these gaps concern areas such as marketing strategies, etc. 4. Sell services, vacation rentals, writing, tutoring, helping people with their taxes, etc. Selling services is one of the most common ways to earn money online. You can sell your own services or someone else's, either online or offline. You can also do both if you want. It's important to choose a service that you are good at because it will help make more money from your blog and business. 5. Sell your time in exchange for money. This can be as simple as offering help to someone who needs it on online forums or Facebook groups. You can also take surveys and test websites for companies that pay you in a fixed amount of time for every survey you complete. You can earn money by offering your time in exchange for money. This can be as simple as offering help to someone who needs it on online forums or Facebook groups. You can also take surveys and test websites for companies that pay you in a fixed amount of time for every survey you complete. If you're interested in earning cash through online jobs, there are many different ways to do it. Offer your services as an expert on various topics, e.g., writing, and charge per article published on your blog.